Hello and welcome back to the Osborne Wood Products Builder Studio. My name is Tim and today we are going to be building a two-legged table and we'll be talking about dental moldings and some other molding ideas. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. All right, so you may be asking yourself, wait a second, how do you build a two-legged table? All right, let's look at what we're going to do today. And basically, what we're doing is building a framework. This back board will actually be attached to our wall, okay? Now, if you can picture this right here, being against a wall, this is bolted to the wall or just, screwed to your studs, okay, in your stud wall. Off of that, we have a regular table with the outer two corners supported by legs, okay? Now, you could do this in a countertop situation. You could do it up against existing, cabinetry that you have. They work great. This idea works perfectly for like a bar top or a countertop on the side of something, bar stools or whatever on the side there. But you could also do this just against a wall, and it actually kind of saves space and is a really cool idea. This is a pretty quick and easy build. So if you can picture this being attached to the wall, I only have 3 sides to go, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about the molding that we're using. When you go onto Osborne Wood Products and you order a custom skirting kit, you can choose what kind of bottom detailing you have there. So typical would be just a square edge, which would be more just like this, okay? A round over edge, which would have a 1/4 inch round over, and then a beaded edge, which is a little bit more decorative. Those are the 3 normal, options. You can go one step up and have a molding put into the bottom of that. Now, the moldings are, there's quite a few moldings. I don't even know exactly how many to tell you, to be honest. But there are several different moldings that you can pick from, wood types, etc., that you can choose there. Now, what we've done today is actually a bit different. This would be a normal dental molding that we would put into the bottom of our skirting, okay? It's about a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square there. And so we would just dado out into the bottom edge there, if you can see that on the, and set that molding in. Now what we've done today is actually gone kind of a bigger, more bold detail. And this dental molding would not be a normal option, but there again, talk to the CSRs and we can do that kind of thing for you. So if you can see that, we've actually dated out quite a chunk, and what we've done is we've just put that dental molding into that skirting, and then we've run our tenons on each end, and so that molding actually becomes part of the tenon. And when you slide that into your leg, then it just matches perfectly. I'm not going to bore you with all of the details of getting all of this cut and all of that. We just ran this on table saw with dados, or on a CNC router, and route that out and then put the molding in. All right, let's get this thing put together here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue in there. right, so I think we've got everything situated where I can hold on to everything and you guys can see what's going on. So if you see, we've just pocket holed these, and I've got that pretty good there. All right, so I've got my top in under here, and so what I'm doing now is just double checking, make sure I've got that centered. Okay, so as I go down the line here, I want to just kind of work that wood to make sure it's even. Alrighty, so let's get some corner blocks. We kind of spun that around so that you guys can see that corner block a little bit better. Just double checking fit, looks perfect. So in that hardware packet, you would have all of the hardware for your skirting kit, your corner blocks, your legs, all that stuff would be in there. Very good. Okay, so we're pretty much done here. We'll give you some clips of us maybe installing this real quick and getting that done for you. And if you would like and subscribe and add comments, we would love to hear your ideas for future builds. And we look forward to seeing you again here on the Osborne Wood Products Builder Studio.